A stroll in the Hallett Nature Sanctuary. The Hallett Nature Sanctuary is the smallest of Central Park's 3 woodland landscapes. The Hallett is named in memory of birdwatcher, naturalist, and civic leader George Hervey Hallett, Jr. This 4-acre plot of land is bounded on 3 sides by the pond and is only yards from the bustle of Central Park South and the Plaza Hotel. Originally called the Promontory by the park's designers due to its elevation, this landscape was deemed inaccessible and was closed to the public in 1934. Since 2016, the Central Park Conservancy has invited visitors to explore one of the park's most pristine natural habitats. With the help of the Roots program, volunteers and staff, the Conservancy has been able to remove a lot of invasive species. The Conservancy has planted native species, including some rare plants, American euonymus, jack-in-the-pulpit, Kentucky yellow lady slipper, and several species of trillium. An amazing array of migratory birds stop by for a visit on their way either north or south. All the rustic woodwork in the Hallett was done in-house with black locust logs. Great blue herons, black-crowned night herons, and egrets can often be spotted hanging out around the pond. Sometimes you can even catch an egret fishing below this waterfall. The Conservancy is constantly working to restore trampled areas, and we are always adding new trees, shrubs, ferns, and flowers. The Hallett Nature Sanctuary is a great habitat for nesting birds, raccoons, and squirrels. #MyCentralPark.